going. I don't remember going to 200 meters. I remember going to 100. You know what? I totally forgot to play this game. It's been 5 minutes. Alright. I should go like... I'm very worried from that part. I'm like, wait, I'm at the beginning? Like... Bang! Wait, what? Oh, you gotta go to the other way. See, right here? Right here. Oh, I remember this. I'm going. Okay. Yeah, you guys gotta do it when it's on the tip. No! I'm over the limit. Let's go back. I couldn't reach it, boy. How was I supposed to do that? Right. Oh my! It's even gonna be more copyright. Or part 4 was extra copyrighted. As I couldn't hear any music because I turned it off. Goodbye, YouTube. No, you can't. Ooh, I thought you can. I was like double jump. Ooh. I accidentally slipped off. Bro, what is your name, boy? What is your name? What is your name? I'm recording. Alright, that boy. Imagine. Oh, dang it. Oh. Yo, where's the shift lock? I'm better. I'm strong. No way I did that. Oh yeah. You gotta go here, not there. Yeah, this, bro. He fell. Say rest in peace, Rainbow Pony, in chat, in the comments. Oh yeah, there's a hole right there. There's a hole right there. Oh, high up. What? Is he still alive? Him? Or she? Ew. Woo! Let's go. These like give you kind of a boost. I remember this part. Last part. I can. Oh my go around. Oh, I was about to step there. About you. Oh no, one of these again. How do I do that? Oh, so I jump when it's... I stepped on there for like 1 second and it didn't. What's the next part? He does a lot of internet mystery stuff. Oh, I finally get shift lock. Shift lock is the best thing in the world. I literally grind every day. I've been grinding some minutes in Lexia. Okay. I'm gonna jump over here, jump over here. Where is Rambo going? Anyway. Oh, never mind. Who was the other person talking? Okay, right there. Okay. Yeah, I got a shift lock. I got shift lock. Bro, we have art today. Bro, art is okay. But Jim is a bun in his shit. And put bun in his shit. Yeah, we gotta go around. Oh no, that's dangerous. Gotta go by the other side. This is like steep steps, but I hate steep steps. Woo. Okay. That's where I jumped last time. Alright, okay, right there. What the heck do we go? Yep, I'm lost. I'm definitely lost. Oh no, thank you. Jesus! How the... Oh my... We shift lock. Okay, right there. He's gonna die 2 times? That's a ripoff. When is 300 M? I am not gonna fall in those traps. Never. I can grind like Messi. Or ultra my frisbee is like like the funked up like boogie down funk. Yeah, so did someone just die up right in that thing? I keep thinking to land over there, but you're not supposed to. I keep forgetting to jump over here. Like that one, like Rainbow Pony. I feel like Rainbow Pony changed colors. I think they're purple. Bam, bam. Jump over there, then you gotta jump over here. Slick back. Imagine I sneeze again. Yeah, don't step there. Or else you die. Yep, I'm lost. Okay. I said I'm lost. Yep, I'm lost. I was like that. Jesus. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, right there. Woo! Where I go now? I gotta go to the side. I thought I was about to die, bro. We're at 204 meters? I feel like we were at 200, no, 210. We're just 6 meters away. Okay, we gotta stop. I'm gonna step right there. I know what to do. There's only one. Oh, I remember. I already done this one. I remember the. Okay. There's like a shadow. There's like a ladder over here. Yeah. Yes! Oh, that's fun. It's a gate. Where is it? It's over there. Where'd it go? Over there. It's in there. Okay. I have to do this. Is that already over there? Yep, that led me over there. I went over here, and I'm going there. And I went up there. I think you're supposed to go over here. Okay, so I think you're supposed to go over here. I think. Oh no! I'm dead. I'm gonna just go back. It's like the same thing. You gotta like get used to the sound and then you can make perfect timing. Imagine I just fall. Go. So where do I go? Here? I'm so confused. How am I gonna do that? So how do I... That was a fail. We'll go over there. Oh, I gotta squeeze myself over there. Where'd I go? Is there anyone there? Oh. Yeah, if I go over there, it's a fail. So how? I gotta watch it. Oh, gotta go over here, I think. Gotta swipe over there. Huh? If I do that, I'll die. Oh, gotta go down there. Okay, now we're making progress. I'm going. Ah! Okay. Don't get brain damage! Holy. I just remember what Leo said. Checkpoint! Let's go! Okay. So how do I... Oh, so I gotta like... Oh. Oh, okay. It's like, it's kind of hard. Okay. Holy. I ran back. Wait, so how do I do this? Oh, how do I do it? Oh, so I gotta jump. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going back there. Oh my god! Did I touch it? Okay. I can't go there. Wait, so... Never mind. I thought I was done for a second. Like, don't jump like that. How? I'm doing it. Ah! Oh! Look, you're supposed to actually do that? That doesn't feel possible. I'm wrong, like a say-so. Ooh, we gotta choose. It's like a maze. No, but it's not like a maze. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go here. Okay, I thought I was about to fall. Where did I go? Hello? Huh? Oh! That was easy. Bro, it's pretty long. Alright. I just feel like they just leveled up the jump. Bro, how's it so light? Okay, we went down only. Don't try to just walk off. What? So what? What did I do? Ah, dang it, you're right. Oh, yeah, I'm supposed to go here. Still don't. there's no way you can do that. Alright. I'm gonna walk off this time. Oh, yeah, he was right. Oh, bow, down, oh, down. Wait. That's what you're supposed to do? Ah, dang it, bang it, same. Now we can grab. Go. Shut up. I thought I'm in front of that guy. Oh yeah, you're supposed to do that. Okay, what if... Yeah, I kind of went down. I think you're supposed to do that. Wait, so what? It said down here. So what? Yep, I'm dead. But how? Bro, what are you scared of? Bro, I'm better than you. What? I didn't step on it. Bro, what? Bro, stop being scared. Oh. Yeah, boy. Wait, what? I can't do that. Bro, I'm faster. I told you I'm faster. I'm faster. Oh. Dang. Car's treated me wrong. Come on. I'm still faster than him. Look, he's probably dead by now. Ow! Wow! Okay. If I go this time. Ooh. Ooh, that's about to fall. Gravity. No! I didn't fall. Did I fall? Ooh! Chicken nugget. Let's see. Yeah, but you totally go down. Look, that's like 500 meters. Yeah, that was it. Brett, I can't do that. Holy, why am I so deep in there? I'm probably gonna give it through. Ooh. Holy, why did I jump? Holy. Hey, bro, I just hear quack and quack and quack. What? How? Bro. Yeah, I just kind of need some help. Yes! Okay. Bro, how am I saying bad words? I'm just saying nice words. Where do I go? Where the heck do I go? Yep, I think I read that. Yeah, there is no way you can do that. Yeah, I did. Dude, you can't go up there. Bro, I did not see that. Bro. So, where do we go? I swear. Yep, I know there's... Yep, okay, thank you. The hell? Oh. I just gotta jump right there. Over there. Right there. Right there. And right there. Problem solvers. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. I was about to jump off. Holy. Oh. What's happened? Oh, yeah. Gotta go like that. Okay. Woo! Why did I go backwards? And what's his name? Alright, where'd he go? Oh. Oh, he died! Gotta go like that. No. But this guy had to restart all the way. Is he? Oh, it is possible. Okay, why is there like a bone? A dog bone? Thank you. I'm not gonna record. Doesn't even show it. Last time we used to show it all the time. Woo! Okay, I'm kinda scared. Oh, that was like green. Bye, phone. Like, woo! No way. No way. Okay, so Oh, right, okay. Go over here. Oh my god, that scared the crap. Alright. Alright. Already knew that. I've been. Woo! Holy! Huh! Okay, that was good. I was about to sweat. I don't even know there was a back. Thank you. How do you do that? Oh, okay. There you go. Oh, it's right there. Don't jump here. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Okay. I see it. Matrix! Let's execute. Okay. Have I been here before? There's a back. Is that possible? Oh. I don't want to like. Okay, that was about to fall right there. Because I almost tripped. I don't feel like this is a meter.